Good day, investors. I hope everyone is doing well. My name is Lawrence, and thank you so much for watching this channel, a channel that talks about investing in stock market and also about financial independence. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell notification such that you get notification every time I release another video. Today, I'm going to be talking about another topic that has been requested several times. Actually, this is not the first time to talk about it, but I'm going to be doing like a refresher course, and today I'm going to be talking about how can you buy and sell shares on Nairobi Securities Exchange, which is in Kenya, and this is the largest stock exchange within East Africa. So I'm going to be covering about what you need to invest, how you can buy, and how you can sell shares. And also I'm going to be demonstrating using online trading platform how you can buy shares. So let's begin. I've actually outlined it into four main ways how you can start to buy or sell shares. So number one, you have to start with passion. Why do you need passion? Like any other investing, any other venture, if you don't love what you're going to do, you will give up, because investing in stock market or buying shares, it's not a walk in the park. It has challenges, it has upsides and downs. So where you need the passion is where your stocks are not doing well. If you remember, if you have invested before, during COVID, all the stocks went down almost by even 70%. So if you didn't believe in what you're doing, if you didn't believe in the stocks, you could have sold at a huge loss. So you need to be passionate about what you're doing, so that in case you go through any challenges, you will be reminded that you love what you're doing, and also better things are going to be ahead. So that is number one thing that you need if you're going to start any business, not only actually buying shares. So that is one thing. So let's go about the paper side or paperwork side. So what do you need when you're going to start investing in shares? Number one, you need a broker. What does a broker do? So a broker is like the intermediary. They do mainly two things. One, they hold your shares and also your money. For example, if you're going to deposit or if you want to buy shares, you need to deposit on the account. So the broker will open you an account where you will hold your shares, and in case you have some deposit, it will be holding deposit. So here I said refer to Nairobi Securities Exchange. So let's go to see the list. Actually, the list is quite many, to see where you can get the brokers. So you go to Nairobi Securities Exchange. If you're going to be investing in Nairobi Securities Exchange, you should be used to this website, which is nse.co.ke. So you go to regulations, you go to trading participants. So when you go to trading participants, you will see they are like around 20, but you need to the highlight that I normally give my investors, there are two. One, look for the broker that has been in the system for some time. Two is look for the a company that has online trading platform, such that you can trade remotely without any interruption. You don't have to try to a broker, you don't have to call a broker, because when you're doing online trading, you don't need any intervention as long as you have deposited your money, which you can do using M-Pesa, because the M-Pesa is the fastest way. So look for the broker that has M-Pesa deposit option, look for the broker that is online, and also a broker that has been, so like Dyer and Breyer. So if you want to know, so these are the brokers. We have Dyer and Breyer, we have Suntra, we have Francis, we have Old Mutual, Stamping Bank Group, Kingdom Securities, AIB. So we have a lot of them. We have Faida, we have ABC. So we have many, SIB, Crystal Capital, Renaissance, Jengis. So Equity, KCB Capital, Abisa. So there are so many, around 20. So you need to check the preferred one. Another very important or deal breaker is fees. Some companies here, they charge annual fees, maintenance fee. So you have to check for those ones that have low or no fees annually. So if you want to check the ones that have online presence, you go to invest, then and go to mobile and online trading. So if you go here, you will check online trading. They are, you see, like they're almost half. So Dyer and Blair, Suntra, Old Mutual, SBG, Kingdom Securities, AIB, ABC. You can read through the list, but you can see the list is less compared to the whole list. So some of them, they don't have online presence. So that is number one, why you need a broker. So to go for a broker, mainly the broker will do, you need national ID or a passport. Then you need 2 passport photos, and also they will ask you for what you do. There is a form that you will fill, and also they will explain how like investing in shares is risky or not. So they'll be asking, are you long-term investor, are you short-term investor? So when you're going to the broker, you should be knowing exactly what you need, because brokers, most of them, they don't give the best advice. So that's basically what the broker will do. So let's go to another point, which is money. Any business, any venture, absolutely, you need money. The good thing with buying shares, it does not require a lot of capital. You can even use as much as 1,000 Kenyan shillings. I remember the first time I was starting to invest, I only used 2,500, but you can use even less, 1,500, because there are some shares that are buying even 1 Kenyan shillings, 2 Kenyan shillings. So you can buy with less money, but it doesn't mean because the share is being bought less, it means it's cheap. So that's another topic for another day. So finally, you need a company. So when you're going to start buying shares, you need to do your own research, because as I told you, buying shares also has ups and downs, which means you can lose as well as you can do profit from it. So if you're going to buy any company, you need to do a research. Maybe if you need me to do what the topic about what you need to look for if you're going to invest in a company, please put a comments, and also if you need to know about it, I will definitely do a video. So companies, we do have very many companies that are listed. So let's go to the website of NSE, Nairobi Securities Exchange website, and show you how which companies are listed on Securities Exchange. So when you go here to regulations, then you will go to list of listed companies, list of issuers. So when you go here, they are categorized: agriculture, automobiles, banking, commercial and services. So you go to energy, insurance, investment services, manufacturing, telecom, real estate, and exchange traded fund. So basically that's how they are traded. If you go to agriculture, there are so many. So you need to do your own research, as I said. Sasini, Rio Vipingo, IGADS, Captura, T, the Molu, Kakuza, I think is the most common. Yeah, the most a bit profitable. So you need to do your own research, as I said, because there are so many, and automobiles, car and general, banking. Banking has a lot of companies, and I love banking stocks because, leave alone being profitable, they are strictly regulated. So Abisa, most of the banks, actually major banks in Kenya, they are listed. So you need to take a chance and buy these banks because they are so good and they represent the past and the future. So not every bank is profitable, or not every bank is a good business. So you need to check which banks you love. And commercial and services, you can see there are a lot of national media. Kenya Airways was delisted, so it's no longer on Nairobi Securities Exchange. Let's go to construction and allied. You can trade Bambuli, and this is East African Portland. Portland has been trending for some reasons, and also energy and petroleum. You can see KenGen, Kenya Power, Umeme, and Total. So they are so, I'm not going to go through all. You can, if you have access, you can go through all these companies. So basically, that's the real process of how you can start to invest. Let's say you have opened an account, you have a passion, you have a broker, you have money, a company. So what is the next step? So the next step is buying. So I also, as I said, I'm going to do the practical part of buying or selling so that you can get familiar with these things. So as I said, if you go to listed companies, if you want to invest, you go to mobile and online trading, because I'm assuming if you want to do online trading, you went for the company that has online trading platform. So for example, if you click on AIBOX, any company that you have selected, it will give you how exactly, that's how it will show you. So login name and password. So if you apply, definitely you apply to the company, so the company will give you logins. So if you click login, it will come to this platform. So this platform, this is for Dyer and Breyer. This is the one of the brokers that I use. So you can use any. I'm not saying that you should use the company that I use. So it has different layouts. So for here reports, you can see, you can do the statement, you can do portfolio, you can do stock holding. So you can click on these ones and see if you have a statement. It will be showing the statement of the portfolio valuation, stock holding. So this one, it will be showing you, sorry, it will be showing you all the details. So if you go to available funds, this one is the amount you can use to buy shares. So for me, I already put 7,230 as my amount that I'm going to be using to buy shares. So as I said, look for the companies that have M-Pesa option. So if they have an M-Pesa option, they will give you their pay bill number, so which you can use using your account. Then it will be able automatically, the moment you deposit, it will take 2 minutes to have reflected on your account. So immediately you can be able to trade shares. So I'm going to be using 7,230 to buy shares. Basically, by the time you come here, it means you already have the company in your mind that you're going to be buying. So if you go back to the list of the companies that you can buy, so this is the list of the companies that you are able to purchase. So let's go. I'm looking for Safaricom, but actually the network is very slow. You'll bear with me. Okay, so Safaricom. So if you want to know, like it says, the last order was 15.40, and the last. So if you go to, there is B means buy, sell, but if you want to check exactly the volumes, if you click here on these three dots, it will show you Simple Safaricom last traded was 15.4 bid price, so it means they are giving 15.3. But if you want to execute immediately, like if you want to purchase the current price, you don't have to check this. For me, when I'm coming, most of the time I go and purchase on the prevailing. I don't wait, because sometimes it can go up or down. So for me, I automatically go here to buy here. When I click on buy, it will give you here. So you'll be purchasing at 15.45, but here, how many do you want to purchase? So if you, for me, with 7,200, I'm able to purchase around 400 shares. So 400 shares. But if you have more money, if you have less money, you can purchase according to your budget. It's not the least minimum. The minimum you can purchase is 100 shares. I'm really sorry. My network, I didn't know that it's going to deny me like this. So there is sell, there is buy. So for me, it's buy. So I click on the buy. You want to confirm, so I'll be paying around 6,300. Of course, I'm remaining with some money, but I will press confirm. So when I press confirm, it means the order has been sent, order pressed successfully. So you can cancel this already, and it will give you notification here saying it will order submitted, client so has been submitted already. Definitely it will be executed because I've bought it at the current market price. So immediately so if you check on the here, it should be able to give you order report. If you go to order report, it should be able to show you the shares that you have already purchased. I'm sorry, my network really is bad. So you can see here, Safaricom has already traded. This is the one. This is the one that has already been purchased already. So basically, that is how you can purchase shares on using online trading platform. And if you want to sell, it's the same. You can click here on the sell. Then you can put the number of shares you want at which price. If you want to buy tomorrow, you can even shift. If you want to put like pending still, you can still do that. That's how basically, then you click on sell. That's how you use this online trading platform. If you have any questions regarding this trading platform, please put a comments. I will immediately answer your questions. If you have managed to reach this, I want to thank you in a special way for following up, for checking, and please don't forget to put any comment if you have any questions, and also don't forget to subscribe or refer any other person who is interested in buying shares on Nairobi Securities Exchange. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.